This 5-minute solution will show you how to join Enemy Warriors Discord server. First of all, open your Discord, and the process will be similar for web version and software. Scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Add a Server. Join a server. In this invite link box, type discord.gg / and type Jade FX TSA 7 TGV and please make sure to maintain lowercase and uppercase, and then click on join server and click on follow the instruction here for help. And now come to this verification channel, and here you have to verify your Discord account with Blocks link. So you have to click on verify with Blocks link. Check this box and click on visit site. Scroll down, and here I'm selecting login with Roblox to verify my account, and click on continue. Click on confirm and give access. Then again scroll down here, and now you have to select a server. So selecting this King Legacy server and clicking on confirm. And that's it. Here you can see my verification complete. So this is how we can join Enemy Warriors Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.